when someone feels unsure about the direction, is it advisable to take a break, explore, or continue on a structured path? This is the first part. And the second part is, how can one make this decision responsibly? So whether to continue on the structured path or take a break and explore, and how to take that decision.
Looks like a very difficult question.
No, it's very easy. Absolutely take a break. Without a doubt, take a break. Because I'm telling you, if you are not sure about what path you're going on, then how can you follow the structured path? When you're not sure about that path, ये तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन तो आ ही नहीं सकता ना पिक्चर में. How can you follow the structured path? So there's one concept in the Western world called as gap year. Have you heard of it?
Yes.
Gap year, absolutely wonderful concept. I don't know why it is not yet arrived in India, or maybe it is, but it is a very, very meager rate. A gap year means once you have finished your professional education and before you enter the professional world of working and earning money and earning a life for yourself. उसके बीच में जो वक्त होता है, people take a gap and explore for 1 year. So they just probably travel or volunteer at different places, they meet different people, they offer their services to anyone and who is looking for them. And through these journeys, they are trying to figure out themselves that what is suitable for them, what works well for them, what they are enjoying doing. And after the end of that particular a year is just it's called a gap year, but it could be a few months for someone, it could be a couple of years for someone. But that period of time is very important to realign your thoughts and see what suits you best. So trust me on this, in the long run, when you are like 40, 50 years of age, that 1 year does not make a difference. हम लोग इस बात को इतना ज़्यादा स्टिग्मेटाइज करते हैं कि एक साल बर्बाद हो गया. व्हाट, क्या एक साल है क्या? इट्स नथिंग. जस्ट गेट दैट आउट ऑफ योर सिस्टम कि एक साल बर्बाद हो गया, एक साल वेस्ट हो गया, एक साल रिपीट करना पड़ा. इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, बिकॉज उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जो बंदा पूरा एकदम रिलीजियसली 21 साल में ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करता है, you cannot guarantee that he is going to be the best in his career, right? And a person who has encountered failure or a failure over failure over failure, probably that person is the one who's going to shine, right? There are so many examples. Colonel Saunders started KFC at the age of 67. I mean, come on. आज KFC पूरी दुनिया में कौन सा ऐसा सिटी नहीं है, कोई देश नहीं है जहाँ पे KFC नहीं. Started at 67. और हम यहाँ पे सोच रहे कि यार 25 हो गए, 27 हो गए, अभी तक फिगर आउट नहीं कर रहे क्या करना है. It's not that. Just be easy on yourselves. That's what I'd like to say.
In fact, I would say 25 या 27 is not the problem. The problem is, I'm 13, I'm 12 and I haven't decided my career yet.
Right. So it's okay to be not sure. It's okay to be confused. It's a very common state of being confused is fine. I think more importantly is that what questions you're asking yourselves. Rather than finding the answers. Do not run behind finding the answers. Try to ask the right questions, and eventually you will get to the answers. I think that answers the question.
So to reiterate, for kids, it is not sleeping at home for 1 year.
No,
Yeah.
absolutely not. A
And
gap
not
year,
on
8
gadgets.
minutes.
And not on
Yeah.
gadgets, definitely.
A gap year does not mean taking a gap, taking a break and doing nothing. It means doing even more.
Yeah.
Right, exploring, doing as much as you can. It is as it's more structured than a structured path, I would say. You will have to try out a lot of things. You'll have to meet a lot of people. You'll have to learn certain things from. You'll have to take perspectives from different people. Think over it. There's a lot of thinking involved. So it does not mean कि भाई आराम करना है 1 साल के लिए. That should not be taken from what I'm saying.
But on